Got black bars in your video? Let's fix them in one click using blanking fill, and yes, it's in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Select your clip in the timeline. Now, head to the effects and then under Open FX. Scroll down and enable blanking fill. Boom. Those black bars are gone. Wanna tweak it? Now, head to the Inspector tab and then under the Open FX. Adjust blur strength, zoom, or even the other parameters to fine-tune the background fill effect. And that's how you go from this to this. No more distractions. Just clean, pro-level visuals. If you found this video useful, then please like and subscribe. Happy editing!